hunters, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, minute, hunter, cooker, hey, my crew, hey, surfer, wave.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Cat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This wig is from UNICE. Everything about her will be in my description box below. So she is a honey blonde highlight curly unit. I believe she was more than 22 inches, but of course everything specific will be in my description box. She came pre-cut, so you know this is a put on and go type of wig. And while I'm editing and looking at this video the way y'all looking at this video, I should have kept this hair this length. Okay, so boom, check it out. I thought I was going to give her like face framing, like layers, like if that makes sense. I wanted her to be framed along my face, because certain wigs do kind of drown out your head, your face, especially if you have a small head. I didn't want the wig to look too overbearing and overpowering on me. So I thought I was cutting, around the perimeter around my head, and then boom, it went from that to me actually cutting the length of the wig to it becoming a shorter unit. So yes, before y'all come in the comments, girl, well, you should have just ordered something shorter. You're right. I'm not arguing with that. This is going to be a pretty short video. Like I said, this is the perfect put on and go type of wig. Y'all already see that this already came pre-cut. This wig was very easy to install. Literally all I had to do was just put my complexion product on, and boom, we was out the door. I low-key could have stopped right here. I could have stopped right here, but nope. You can't tell the tourist nothing. You hear me? But overall, like I said, this wig was extremely easy to put on. I love the texture of this unit. I wish I would have combed it out and created a different curl pattern. Maybe it would have, convinced me otherwise before I got to cutting. But yeah, cons with this wig, I don't have any. Besides, of course, if I want to comment about the shedding, I probably did that because I was cutting this unit. But again, the pros with this unit, very beginner friendly. I really love the color of this unit. I should have kept the length. And also, this was very easy to put on. No mess, no time consuming plucking that I had to do. Like, it was just literally an easy wig to just put on and go. So that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really feel like I want to make a series about me messing up a wig and just still showing y'all like, hey, like, mistakes happen. Every wig is not going to hit. Not saying this wig didn't hit, but I just wish I just left it as is. Thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time. and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
Corn rich, nigga, A1.